Hi, my name is Ashutosh, and today we'll talk about permutation, the basic definition of permutation, where we will understand the fundamental method of counting. So, what permutation? If we talk about the definition, let's say you have three objects, and if I try to arrange the three objects in the different ways, let's say I have the colors here, you can see blue, green, and red. I want to arrange these colors in the different ways. Firstly, blue, then green, then red, blue, then red, then green, green, red, blue, green, blue, red, and so on. How many different ways in which I can do that? This arrangement is known as the permutation. Okay. So permutation means arrangement. In this case, order matters, in which order you keep the things, right? Now, if we talk about the types of permutation that we have, there are two types of permutation basically, linear permutation and non-linear permutation. In non-linear permutation, there is circular permutation and non-circular permutation. So in linear permutation, you'll be getting the questions where you have a line in which there are two or three or four people you have to arrange, or in general, it's just like the number of ways in which you have to arrange something in a line. Okay, so if you read the question, you'll find out that I have to do something like this. Circular permutation, where you have people sitting for a meeting or something in a row, in a circle, and in that, if you have to find out the number of ways in which you can arrange the people in the circle, that is known as the circular permutation. If it is any other figure, let's say if it is a kind of square or hexagonal figure or something else, in that it is a non-circular figure, a non-circular permutation in the non-linear segment. Okay, so linear, non-linear. In non-linear, there is a circular and non-circular permutation. Now, if we talk about some questions that we can understand, if you have a question which is given that it is, it is required to set 4 women and 4 men in a row, so that the women occupy the even places, how many such arrangements are possible? This is the kind of question where we have the linear permutation. I'm not solving the question right now. We'll discuss the questions later in the other video. So this is a question where we can understand this is a kind of linear permutation. When we talk about this question, like the 8 directors are the vice chairman and chairman, they are situated around a circle. This is a question in which we can say it is a circular permutation, because in this we have to identify the number of ways in which I can arrange the people in a circle. Okay, so this is the difference between the linear and non-linear or circular permutation. Thank you.